Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, GE continues to just grind higher and higher. I've done this analysis several times before, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is actually some house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So now going forward, right here around the 804 mark is going to be that first key level of support, and what I would call the ideal level. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay up above 804, that would be a fantastic sign of power. With that being said, though, I mean, if the price falls below it, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above it, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. And looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which makes things very easy in terms of just gauging the health of the overall move. This right here is how I'm defining, quote-unquote, the overall move. In other words, just watch that purple line, and as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Staying above 804 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. What do I mean? What matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that's this right here. Just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upward direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, just focus on building those higher bases, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.